In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently redact sensitive information in DocHub. Whether you're preparing a contract, a report, or any file that contains private details, proper redaction ensures those details are removed, not just hidden. Let's walk through the process clearly and carefully so you can do it with confidence. First, open your document in DocHub. You can upload it from your computer or import it from a connected cloud service. Take a moment to confirm you're working on the correct file, and if this is an important document, consider keeping a clean original in case you need to reference it later. Once the file is open, let it fully load so the tools are available and the pages render crisply for accurate selection. Next, enter the Redact Technique tool. You'll usually find it in the toolbar alongside other editing tools such as highlight, text, and shapes. If you don't immediately see Redact, look for an option like More Tools or a drop-down that expands the editing menu. When the Redact tool is active, your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to mark content for removal. Now mark the areas you want to redact. Click and drag to draw boxes over any text, numbers, images, or signatures you need to permanently remove. Use the zoom controls to get precise edges and pan across the page to ensure you've covered everything. It helps to move slowly and review each section, especially headers, footers, and repeated elements that can appear on multiple pages. If you make a mistake while marking, use undo before you apply the redactions. Continue scrolling through the document, adding boxes wherever sensitive information appears. When you're confident you've marked everything, apply the redactions to make them permanent. DocHub will prompt you to confirm. This step is irreversible, which is exactly what you want for true redaction. Once applied, the selected content is removed from the file, not just visually covered. Give the document a quick scan after the process completes to ensure the results look correct. Finally, save or download the redacted PDF. Choose a clear file name that indicates it's redacted and export as a PDF to preserve the changes. If you're storing it in the cloud or sharing a link, verify you're sharing the redacted version, not the original. That's it. Open in DocHub, enter the Redact tool, mark your sensitive areas, apply to make them permanent, and save or download. With these steps, your private information stays protected.